Before making any adjustments, it is always recommended to disconnect the power to your cabinet. To convert your cabinet from doors to drawers, you will need a cordless drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, 4 Phillips No. 8 truss head sheet metal screws, a pair of pliers to remove the vertical pilaster strips, and possibly a rubber mallet. Open the door you will be converting fully 115 degrees so it stays in the open position. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 top screws that secure the door to the face of the cabinet. Once the screws are removed, lift the door off the bottom pivot hinge and set aside. Remove the 2 bottom screws from the pivot hinge. Reinsert the 4 Phillips screws into the exposed hinge holes and screw in tightly. Remove the shelf and the sidewall vertical pilaster strips with a 1/4 inch nut driver. Using 2 flathead screwdrivers as shown, pry the plastic breaker cover off the left side of the cabinet opening. Repeat the same on the right side. Only the left and right side covers get removed before inserting the drawer cage. The drawer cage assembly will consist of 2 drawers and the cage with the center cross mullion that holds the drawers. Open the top drawer, slide the locking clips for the slides forward and down at the back on both sides and remove the drawer. Repeat to remove the bottom drawer. Position the drawer cage in front of the cabinet opening. Lift the cage above the trim along the bottom of the opening so it is aligned to go straight into the cabinet. Carefully slide the drawer cage into the cabinet opening. It is a snug fit and some pressure may need to be applied at the corners. A rubber mallet can be used to gently tap on the ends of the drawer cage cross mullion. When the cage is in as far as it will go, the center mullion should be flush with the front face of the cabinet. With the cage assembly properly in place, locate the 4 mounting holes along the front sides of the cage assembly. Using the drill and a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill 4 pilot holes through the cage assembly to the metal underneath. Drive a sheet metal screw into each of the pre-drilled mounting holes, securing the front of the cage to the inside of the opening, and tighten without stripping the screws or the pilot holes. Snap the 2 smaller plastic breaker covers that were shipped with the cage assembly onto the top left and right sides of the cabinet opening. Caulk if needed. Insert the top and bottom drawers, locking the slide clips on the left and right sides. Open and close both drawers several times, making sure you have a good gasket seal. When considering a Continental refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.